Construction phases are extremely important, and some of our clients simply don't understand what that means. Let me break it down to you. If you look behind me, you'll see two areas, one with concrete and one with dirt. Well, on top of that dirt, there used to be concrete. We removed that concrete so we can see the level for the new foundation that we poured. Along with that, why do we keep concrete and didn't remove all the concrete at once? Here's why. As a builder or a construction company, you have to think 100 steps ahead, which means this is a 1-year project, which means there's going to be rain in that time. Part of that rain, I want to make sure that our team does all the staging work, cutting the wood, tile, any kind of work in the concrete area. That way no dirt travels inside the house where it's new wood, new material, new finishes that's going in. So I always leave a little bit of concrete area to make sure we stay clean on the job site. And again, no dirt travels inside. Why am I sharing this? Because a lot of clients, when they come walk the property, they say, hey, why didn't you take all the concrete at once? Well, we could, but then again, you're gonna have a dirty house inside. So we always stage things according to the construction phase, and we always have a plan. So when choosing a team, make sure they know what they're talking about, make sure they know what they're doing, make sure there's reasonings for every kind of milestone or construction phase that you're in. And unfortunately, a lot of our clients that come to us come from regrets, meaning they chose the wrong builder team or construction team. So as a company now, we're trying to do better in marketing and bring to light what you need to do in construction to make sure you have a clean job site, to make sure the project moves, and you actually finish the project according to your project timeline. We take pride in completing all our projects according to our project timeline. If you don't believe me, we have many references to give you. We also want to invite you to any of our job sites to come see the progress of our work. Again, if you want to see more, learn more, and know more, please follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO Team.